What's up, gang? It's your main man Eddie from EM Performance, and this is the very first time that we are using the GoPro 10. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm pretty excited to make a ton of content with it, with the car, little how-to videos and things like that. So hope you guys are excited too. And then also want to know what type of videos you guys would like to see. And I'll post it up on Instagram, and looking forward to putting a lot of content up on YouTube as well on this new product that I'm trying. It's called Sonax Extreme, made in Germany. And this is something actually that I found on TikTok. A lot of great things about this. So wanted to give it a try. So first things first, we're going to apply the product to the area that we want to work on. So this is my Suede steering wheel, or Alcantara surface that I wanted to try this upon hands. But you can get this whole kit on Amazon. Microfiber cloth. I'm going to apply some right here. It's a foam solution. So I'm just trying to apply a little bit on there. There we go. I wiped some on. Now I'm going to use the brush that I have. So this is that little brush. I'm going to kind of just scrub it in there. Have my hands on the side there. So I'm just going to wipe it. Just like so, just to get the excess off. What up, gang? Part 2, or second clip to the Alcantara Suede. I let the solvent soak, and I wiped it afterwards with my cloth, my microfiber cloth. And I gotta say, it looks fantastic. So I'm gonna pull the camera over, and there you go. You can see now that it has the texture back to it. I'm gonna go on the other side. See, now we've got the texture back to it. Your spot cleaning shouldn't be too crazy. Good friend of mine actually gave me a cool tip. If you're just trying to get lint and little things off the surface of your suede, he recommended painter's tape, and it actually works really, really well. This is not a paid promotion or anything like that. This is just bucks for both, so something you can keep with your cleaning products if you have suede in your car. Definitely something to keep for the future. So